Hello everyone.
Oh,
आज चाहिँ अलि रियलिस्टिक गोल रहेछ एउटामा चाहिँ
Hello, Gorak. Good morning.
Hi, good morning, mister. Hi, everybody. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. So
Hello.
let's start this session in a minute, right? And guys, make sure that you received an email and accept the invitation I sent you yesterday. Yeah, just check your email. I'll get back to you with that one.
Hello. I didn't receive an email.
You didn't?
No.
So did
Me
you
too. I
fill
have
that that link I sent you yesterday? Did you fill your username, GitHub username?
Oh, okay, okay. No, I did not. Sorry. It's in the chat, correct?
Yeah, it's in the chat.
So, what do I need to do after I open that link?
So what are you seeing right now? What does it say?
I'm seeing your profile, which says follow, and uh, I
Maybe there is an invitation to accept, become a
I
collaborator with a repository.
I don't see any invitation.
Okay, okay. Let's wait for a moment and
Okay,
I'll share my screen and I'll ask for you as well.
okay. Thank you.
I
Oh,
cannot
yeah.
access to. I cannot access the chat. I cannot see the chat box.
Okay, okay. All right. We'll fix that. Don't worry.
I think you have made repo private. Can you make it public so I can access the link?
Actually, okay. Just wait for a moment and I think uh, you are directly accessing the link. Maybe that is not possible right now.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. I was setting my microphone here. So you can hear me, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. So, can
Hi, I
anybody?
also had one thing to say quick.
Yeah, sure, please.
Um, I could not get access when I tried to enter my ID on the Google Docs today. Can you like give access again once more and I can like put my username over there?
Oh, okay. All right. I'll do that.
Thank you.
And yeah, anybody accepted the invitation? Anybody got the invitation on their email and accepted and now have access to the repository?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yes, I
Yes, I
did.
did.
So it means other who
I
filled
did.
yesterday should have received an email as well.
No work. For me, I did not receive any kind of invitation.
It's Samyak, right?
Yeah.
check.
Same here. I also did not receive any email.
Okay. Samyak, Samyak 91996, right?
Yeah, that's my username, GitHub user.
Yeah, it is. The invitation is sent and you haven't accepted. Maybe can you check your email
Spam
somewhere in
folder.
other folder? Maybe. Yeah.
I didn't get one either, but that's because I didn't put it in the Google Doc until today, like an hour ago.
Okay. Yeah, those who entered it yesterday may have only got that invitation. Let me see. Let me first send you the link properly. You said that it is not properly accessible today. Google Docs.
Oh, there you go.
Yes. Yeah. Hi.
I'm Rinal. That is, and this link to everybody to accept these things. To accept.
Rinal, can you repeat your question one more time, please?
Did you send your link to everybody? Because I didn't get this thing.
Okay. Yeah, yesterday I sent to everybody because somebody doesn't have the access to chat section. Guys, those who wants to send me your GitHub username today, so let me quickly do it right now, okay? So that you don't have to fill that form right now. So can you please raise your hand who are not getting access to this repository so that I can add you all by seeing your hand, okay? Okay, let me start from Ashish. So Ashish, did you fill the form first? Did you fill that form yesterday, Ashish? Can you hear me? Otherwise, just send me your username in the chat as well if you have access, all right? Directly. Then I'm seeing here Ashish G70. You haven't accepted. Vinod has also not accepted that invitation. And yeah, it is DACHARDRYA also hasn't accepted. Please, guys, check it if you have got the link. Ashish Sapkota, let me check for you. Yeah, you are not added to the collaborator. Let me quickly add you, okay? Yeah,
Thank
Ashish,
you.
I sent you the invitation. Please check your email.
Can I give mine too?
Okay, thank you.
Who is this?
Bina Gimbiri.
Bina, yeah, sure. You don't have access to the chat?
Yes. No, I have. I can
Yeah,
access
please.
to.
Yeah, do you want to send me your username?
Yes, sure. I'll send.
Yeah, please send it to the chat. Those who don't have access to the chat as well, I'll get to you so that I can get your username, okay? Yeah, I added you, Jyoti, as well, I think, right? GYOSHA, please check your email.
Okay.
And
Yeah, I got your email.
yeah, please accept it. Accept the invitation and you'll get access to the repository. And TAHMEEDC, I added you as well. Please check it. Avinash. Now let me see if you are already added or not. You are also not added yesterday. So let me add you as well. Avinash 7. Yeah, please check your email as well. I got one link here. Okay, it is. I need to go to your profile, then copy your. Yeah, I can directly add that email as well. It is 1SS1905. Please accept the invitation as well. You are also added. Abraham, right? Abraham. So you are also
Yeah, that
added,
one's
please.
mine.
Yeah, just check your email. Let me know if you are not getting. Right. And yeah, Bina as well. Please check your email. You may have received an email. I think it is Sriya repo, right? It's check your email, right? Okay. Okay, guys. Almost there. Yeah. Renal, please check your email. I have added you as well. Ganesh, I think Ganesh is also not added. Okay, please check your email. You are also added. And Ram, RMG, I think I added you yesterday. I remember your username, but not added. Okay, let me add it. Okay. All right, I added all of you who sent me the username. Yeah, you can raise down your hand if you have received an email, but only raise your hand if you have not received an email. Okay, somebody got my email in their spam. It shouldn't go in the spam, but just check, make sure if you are receiving it on spam as well. Yeah, thank you. I can see some hand raises. It is Bisakha. Bisakha, did you get the
No, I
access?
haven't got any email. No, I haven't got any email or access, and I cannot access the chat too.
Access your chat, okay. Can you tell me your username right
Yes,
here?
my first name BISHAKHA, and then
AKHA
K, and then 14.
14, okay. All right, I added you. Just check your email.
Thank you.
I have not
And
got the email.
it's Bina, right?
Yes.
Bina Kimire 14. Sorry, 4. It is sent maybe somewhere in the other folder. Just check and I'll get back to you if you are not still getting. Maybe we can try another way.
Okay.
Rosen, have you also not
Yes.
received?
Yeah, I also cannot access the chat and I couldn't fill the form.
Yes, please. Please, can you tell me your username?
It's ROZANZ.
Chat. Okay. Yeah, I sent you right now.
Yep, I had followed you in GitHub as well. So yeah.
Yeah, it showed me your profile while I was searching right now.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. So, Subhas? Have you?
I also don't have access to chat and
Yeah, just tell me your username real quick.
Subhash Neupane.
SUBASH NAUPANA
NEUPANE.
PANE. Oh, yeah, PANE. Sorry. Yeah, that's right. Only that?
2022.
2022. That's all right.
Yeah.
It is not showing, right? SUBASH NEUPANE, right?
I will mail you, sir.
Sorry?
I'll do a mail for that so that you can send in my Gmail.
Yeah, just you can tell me your email address as well.
So
This is, yeah, yes, please.
Yes, U B A yes yes
Yeah.
N E
Okay.
U
Okay.
P A N E
Okay.
2022 @gmail.com.
And the rate gmail.com. Okay, so as I sent you, just check your email and make sure.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, good. And Reno, did you received an email? You are raising your hand. Bisakha, did you got an email? Do you get it? Okay, I can see most of you. Okay, Sandeep, I think Sandeep is raising his hand.
So is it about the GitHub invitation or chat box access?
Is it about the GitHub invitation, not about chat
Okay,
box?
I'm having an issue with the chat box, but I've already received a GitHub invitation.
All right, great. You don't have access to chat?
No.
Oh, okay. Nirusha, if you are here, just make sure everyone has access to chat so that we can collaborate together easily. Okay. Sandeep and okay, right. So I can see some of you are still not accepting. Subhas Neupane is still pending. Veena Gimri is still pending. Vishakha is still pending. Vinod Magar is still pending. Krishna Acharya is still pending. Lakshman Aryal and it is PNABISWA, right? You are still pending. And another username is PUNITPRA99. You are also pending. And one more RAPTORSTRIK. You are also pending. Let me know if somebody is not still have access to the repo. Yeah, I can easily add you anytime. All right, so just let me know if you are not seeing the repo. Okay, if you haven't accepted, then you cannot access it. The repo is currently private. Okay, collaborator has many advantages. Later we can actually, you also can code with me together from here. We will do that sometimes later, okay, not right now. Right now, the main purpose is to share you the code and so that you can access that code. Okay, so Priyanka, do you have some issue here?
Oh, I don't have access to the whatever you were adding us into. I'm not added yet.
You're not added, okay. Do you have access to chat, Priyanka?
I do.
Yeah, did you send me your GitHub username already, dear? Okay, some of you sent it.
Hi Gorak, I just sent my username there in the chat.
Yeah, I just saw
Can you
some
add
of
me to my
you.
report too? Can you add
Some
me?
of you sent. Yeah, just wait for a moment. I just said. Priyanka, I think your username is not correct. Maybe just check it. There shouldn't be any space. Yeah. And I added you. Who sent me in the chat? Okay, it is SSANGAM PUNITPRAJ401 and Ankit Parajul is 7 as well. I added you. Just check your email.
Thanks, Gorak.
Yeah, sorry about that. I sent you again.
Oh, nice. Yeah, Priyanka, I just added you right now. Let's check it. And it is Vishal Okay, let me add you. Yeah, Vishal Sanju, right? I added you right now. Let's check it. I don't know how many of you are here in the bootcamp already. Today above 40, I think. But here in the repository, we are only 38 collaborators and 12 invitations are pending. Still 12. Let me refresh it. Yeah, 8 invitations are pending. We are 41 already here. Yes, somebody sent me somewhere else. I'm getting message from somewhere else. Oh, somebody sent me in my chat. Okay, all right, in my private chat. Okay, yeah, let me add you right now. Yeah, please check it, Keshav. I sent you. And
where do we see this invitation in repository?
in your email, which you use to sign in or sign up with GitHub.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. So
can I
yeah,
ask you a question?
sure.
I tried to practice something. Can I see my screen?
All right.
I feel like there's a problem. I don't know if it's a problem. Okay, give me just a moment. So, screen over here, this one. Is this warning over here?
I can see
down
your screen.
here? Yeah, you can't. Oh, you can.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it.
Okay,
I'm seeing
over
it.
here it says Webpack complied with one warning. Is this? Am I doing anything wrong?
No. You may be doing something which is a warning, but this is not an error. That's why you are good to go.
Cause on the other side with the React app, it did came with the color, the aquamarine color, but I just didn't know if this means I'm doing something wrong.
Yeah.
And okay, I have
it
a
says
one.
Successfully. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
It does. Okay. One last question. Like every time when we're coming to the class, are we gonna use the same this app cc file? Like we're gonna delete the previous work and then we're gonna start with this file?
No. Do not delete. Whatever you are doing yesterday, just leave it and continue from there.
So how do we like make a new project? Like because we can't make more than one app.css file in this one. So do we have to make new files every time?
Yeah, we will do that together. I will be doing it together so that you can follow me. But right now I can see that you are not opening the folder correctly. You shouldn't only open that src folder. You need to open the whole React project where you can see. You need to see that package.json. Right now you are not seeing it, means maybe only src folder is open. You can close it and open that project one more time with VS Code.
Oh, the whole thing, or
yeah, whole
you mean the
one.
whole VS Studio?
Closing the VS Code and opening it one more time.
Okay, let me see. Do you mean this?
Yeah, I'm not seeing your screen.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah, I added you SAM SUB. Please check your email, okay?
Okay. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, it still says one warning. I just open it. Let me type the yarn.start. And then
yeah, can you just wait for here? Can you press Control C to stop it? Control C. I think something is wrong here. Yeah. In your terminal, just type ls and hit enter. ls.
Okay. ls and then over here.
In your terminal. VS Code terminal. Yeah.
And then
Hit enter.
So I hit the
Yeah.
enter and then it says the same thing again. So type ls again.
Okay. Now it says that I told you yesterday, when you type ls, you need to see that package.json. You are not once again opening that folder correctly. You are only opening src folder.
Okay. So I need to go
So
up
can
here.
you just close this VS Code and show me where that folder is located on your PC if possible?
I don't think I have it here anywhere. Let me see. No, I don't think I have it here. Well, maybe it's inside the VS Code. Okay, let me try it one more time. Maybe it's in Explorer. Are you talking about this one right here?
No.
Yeah.
You shouldn't need to open from here. This is not
It's
what
saved
I'm looking at.
somewhere. I
You
don't
need
know
to
what is.
actually view that folder somewhere. It should be somewhere in
Okay,
your PC.
it's usually in here.
Uh,
I don't know.
okay. Maybe inside your desktop you have one folder.
Well,
Maybe you can.
no, these are both from the folder. So this is the folder from your profile from the GitHub, and this is one of them. That's all I have in here. Can you see my screen?
Okay.
Like I have
All right.
everything
All right.
empty.
So it means I'm going to actually guide you all
Okay.
how you can have access to the same code I wrote yesterday. You can follow
Okay.
me after a few moments so that this
Okay, I
problem
can
will
do
be
that.
solved.
I can do that. Thank you.
Okay. All right, guys. So um, yeah, Subhas, did you access? Did, did you get an email? Subhas
Sir,
Naupani?
I have sent you my GitHub account to you. I don't receive any.
You didn't receive, right?
Yeah.
Just a moment. I think Subhas Naupani. I think your previous what you said to me is not correct. It was showing something. It is showing something different now. I'm adding you right now. Once again. Yeah, now you should get the email. Okay. Yes, somebody like some of you, Laxman Real, and Vishakha, Ankit, you haven't accepted. Let me know if you are facing some issue. Okay, then let's start today's session. And guys, I'm going to end this session slightly sooner today, maybe after around 1 hour. So let's start real quick so that we can cover the session that we are starting for today's goal. Today we want to do some of the CSS things with React, but before doing that, let me first guide you how you can get my code from that repository, okay? So you can just follow me so that you can have the code that I wrote yesterday, exactly same code. Okay. Let me see. You guys now can see my screen, right?
Yes.
So here I have added this FDB4 repo. You need to be able to access this one first. Those who are collaborators, many of we are already collaborators here. Here I have added you collaborators already. Most of you have accepted. Some of you are still pending. just accept it. And those who are only the collaborator can only access this repository. Otherwise, the generally those who have GitHub and the users who are not the collaborator cannot access. Okay.
Hi, Gorak.
So yeah.
So you just want us to clone that repo, right?
Yeah, I'm guiding you with that step.
Okay.
If you can do that, that's fine.
Oh, yeah.
I think most of
I'll
you
do
have
it just
confusion.
right now.
Yeah. Nirisa, if you are here, just make sure that you can mute some of the microphones, okay? Just help me with that one. Okay, so
So do we just clone this one?
yeah, guys, just hold with me for a
Or you
moment.
wanna
I'm going
show
to
us?
yeah. So first, just access this link. It should show now in your GitHub profile already. You can directly access it now. So for your convenience, I'm also sending it on the chat. Now, if you have access to this repository, you don't need extra notes most of the time. If that is essential, then I will add in the Bootcamp portal. But most of the resources you'll get from here. And what you need to do is, there are mainly few steps you need to follow. So the cloning part that some of you are mentioning, that is one of the part as well. But for now, I'm guiding you with a very simple step. Later we'll go some of the advanced step, okay? For now, what you can do is click here and click on this download zip button. So you can download it from here. Okay, this is the very simple step that everyone can follow. I'm going to download it on my desktop right now. So it is really easy to download it. Just download it in somewhere in your PC.
Do
Yes,
you want
Subhash,
to download that right now?
yes, you should follow me right now.
Okay.
Subhash, did you still not accessing? Are you still not accessing, or are you now able to access this repo?
I'm able to accept. I accept from my GitHub account.
All right, great. Seeing some of the messages you sent to me. Okay. So here, what I did is I downloaded this one, right? This one. So you need to extract it. If you are Windows user, maybe you can right click and click somewhere called extract, something called extract, I think. But if you are a Mac user, you can directly double click here and it will be extracted right here as a folder. All right. Is that fine?
Yes. What did you go to download it one more time?
Go here on this repository. This repository is accessible either from the chat section or from your email.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm
You
there,
can
and
access
then
it, right?
yeah,
And
I have
now
that
you need to click here on the code, this green
on the
button.
code. Okay.
Yeah. Now you can download it.
Thank you.
Yeah, great. And this is the very simple step. Okay, later we will do something called cloning, those kind of stuff as well. And you need to extract it. Now it is here in my desktop. Okay, I have 1 and 2 folders. So we are currently working on this one, right? Create React app. Am I correct?
Yes.
So it means I need to open this folder only, this one. But what you can also do is open this both together as well, because it is located in this folder right now, this FDB4 master. So you can either open this folder directly or open this one only. I recommend you to open this folder directly. Okay. So now you can go to your VS Code and go to File and click on Open Folder. Just open that folder. That is FDB4 master. Just open it, okay? And you need to trust it. Let me quickly check if I can see some Git history there. It is not a Git repository, okay. We'll fix it. So this is a very simple step. Now you have these two folders. Previously, I also have the similar folder structure. Okay, if you don't want to work on the previous folders, if you only want to work in the current project, this one, right? This is our current project. We are not doing anything here with the connecting GitHub. We are only doing our things with create React app. So it will remove some of your confusion if you are only opening this one. But if you are okay with working with these two together, then it's also good. It's also fine. Okay. So if you want some easy way of doing these things, if you want to do these things easily, then once again close this VS Code, and I'm going to open it one more time, and I'm going inside open folder, and now I'm only opening that particular folder which I was working on, this one only. You need to open create React app only. Okay, so yeah, now I'm opening this folder only. This is the folder which I was working on yesterday.
Is Git
Okay.
gonna work in here?
No, it will not work. For
Because
that one, I'm going
Git is
in the next.
outside, right? One step out, right?
No, Git is not gonna work in this download folder if you download from GitHub. Okay, we are going to do another way. We are going to do it another way. So this is a very simple way. So you can follow these steps for at the initial while if you are not familiar with GitHub, initially you can follow these steps if you are really beginner. But I'm doing different things here as well. So that is actually what we need to do later if you are working as a developer in some software company. Okay, guys, downloading this project, opening it with VS Code, do you have any problem? I think I shouldn't have to assist you with this one, right? You can download it, you can extract it, you can open it, right? Okay, if you have any issue, I can see one hand raised here. If it is a mistake, please just raise down your hand. Otherwise, if you want to
Hi,
ask me, just
Gaurav.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
me.
Hi.
It's not about this one. I'm fine with this, but I think I have some problem with my VS Code. So after we are
Okay.
done with this, then we can maybe have a look together.
After the session?
I don't know. After we finish this GitHub thing, then maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Okay. I'll get
Yeah.
back to you. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Yeah. So I'm doing things here. Let me finish it first. So this one is a create React app. We opened only a single folder. So let's open our terminal now. This is the thing we need to do most of the time. So not related to React actually. I'm showing you many things which are really not related to React. I should have skipped those things. It's okay to learn React without these things as well, but these are the things required for you to become a software developer, to actually easily work with other developers when you actually first start your developer journey somewhere. If you have already worked somewhere, then you have realized that we need all of these things. So in your terminal, just open your terminal and just type ls. We type ls to list all the files located in our current project here. So if you can see package.json, it's fine. But if you have not opened this only single folder, you will not see package.json. So let me do it one more time in other way, okay? You can still wait here. I'll get back to here. But if I have opened this this folder directly, then I will only see this folder here. So you can currently see 1 and 2 folder, and when you type ls, I can only see 1 and 2 folder and a readme file here. But I need to be able to see that package.json which is located inside create react app. You need to go inside here, right? It's really simple from here. So how do I get into this folder from here, guys? How can I open it? By double clicking, right? By just right click, open a new window if you want to open a new window, but you can double click and open it, right? You all can do it. That's the same thing here. Now we want to go inside here from terminal. So for that case, you need to type a command. You cannot double click here. You need to type cd and create react app, the folder name where you want to go. Just type cd. You are changing the directory. Cd to change the directory. Cd space create react app here. Okay, let me make it slightly bigger so that you can see it. Cd and the name of the folder. You can start writing CRE and press tab. On my terminal, it is showing me some preview. Okay, in your it will not show. So don't worry. You can type it. Just type it. Type the name of the folder. Create react app. And now when you hit ls, you can see the package.json. Okay. Now one more thing is remaining. So this is the, guys, if you are really beginner, I highly recommend you to practice it 3, 4 or 5 times today
Gaurav,
after this session. So
Gaurav,
yeah, yes please.
It's not going through like that of me. And could you check it? I'm sorry. Can I
Yeah,
share my
no worries. Please share your screen so that I can help you. With everything I'm doing in this, I think 2 or 3 weeks, you need to practice a lot. Okay, if you are beginner, otherwise it is gonna be difficult for you. So yeah, you need, yeah, I am seeing your screen.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, what happens here is, actually what happens here is, previously I told you that change your terminal from PowerShell to Git bash, but your terminal is still PowerShell. In PowerShell, there is something we need to set up. Sometimes the environment variable, sometimes some command do not work here, like such kind of Linux command do not work here. That's why what you need to do is change the PowerShell. Can you see PowerShell on the left bottom somewhere inside terminal tab? PowerShell there? No, right down. You have tabs like problems, output, debug console, terminal, right? And on the right you have PowerShell as well. You are going on the left, you need to go in between, on the middle, somewhere bottom, inside your terminal. Where is your terminal currently? Where can you write something inside your terminal?
Here.
If you want to write. So just look at the tab of this terminal. These are problems, output somewhere above, debug console, terminal, right? Can you see it?
Problems, output, debug console.
Yeah, on the right. No, don't click there. You don't have to click. You will not see other tabs. So click on the, Now once again, open this terminal. Okay. Now on the right you have plus sign, right? Just above it.
Okay.
On the right you have drop down arrow.
Okay.
Yeah, click on that drop down arrow and select default profile. No. Just wait for my instruction. Okay. Select default profile on the bottom. You have select default profile. Yeah, click there.
Okay.
Now choose Git bash. You need to one more time click on that drop down just after that plus sign. And now once again click on select default profile. Now you can see above, can you see on the, select Git bash. Yeah, click on that Git bash. Okay, now you are good to go. Now you can delete all of this terminal. Can you Can you delete all of this terminal? You can, yeah,
over
you
here?
can hover. No, on the bottom. I think you need to open it one more time. You need to be careful sometimes. Sometimes some of the things will be, yeah, will not work. So yeah, you need to delete it. Yeah. Delete this one. Delete this all.
Okay. This one too?
Yeah. Yeah. Now open your terminal.
Okay.
Okay, now you can follow me. Just type ls. ls. Yeah, you have two folders, connecting GitHub, create React app. Now you can type cd space create.
How can I by the shortcut get it?
No, first you need to type. You need to type the initial letters of the folders. Yeah, just type. Yeah, now you can hit your tab in your keyboard.
Okay.
Okay, it auto completes. Now you can hit enter now. Yeah. Now once again type ls and hit enter. Now you are seeing this step, this screen. I am also with the same step. Now you can follow me, okay, from here.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
How can I come out?
Yeah, I'll share my screen so that you will be disconnected. Okay. And one more thing, guys, if you are not getting the videos in time, so let Niru-san know about it, okay? So you need to be able to access the video after some hours after of the session, so that you can practice and watch that videos before coming into the next session. So I'm doing the same thing sometimes. These videos are recorded, so I have done those things, some of the things, maybe because of that accessibility, because of the restriction you don't have access to the video. That's why you cannot practice, right? That's why you need to ask it one more time in the session. So that's why you need to be able to get your videos once you wake up in the morning. So just let Niru-san know about it so that you can get the videos in time. And just watch that video before coming into the session. I have done many steps. If you are a beginner, you need to spend some extra time to actually sync with me. Otherwise, it's going to be slightly difficult for you, okay? I'm saying it. Later, you'll realize I will do many advanced stuffs, and we cannot actually discuss about the basic stuffs. But I'm not saying that you cannot ask me anything. You can ask me anything anytime, okay? Just ask me the basic stuffs as well. So I'm always happy to actually help you answer your questions. But sometimes it will take some time, consume the time of the session. So just make sure that you first watch the videos. If you can't still actually understand what I'm saying in the video, just ask me and I will help you. So, all right, on the left, we have this two folders, and from this terminal, I showed you that you can type ls, and if you can now see this package.json, then you are good to go. So this is the step which will be slightly difficult for beginner, but if you have already done these things before, these are really simple steps. So now this is the important point. Everyone who have experience and who are beginner as well. Now we need to actually have one folder which is not there inside this create React app. We have all the folder, but one folder is missing. When we install our React app, there was another folder. Can you remember? Can you just tell me what is that folder which is missing here?
Node modules.
Node modules.
Yeah, that's right. Node modules is not available here. Because why this is not available? Can somebody guess it?
Because when we uploaded it to GitHub, what happened is we put that into gitignore.
Yeah, that's right. We put this into gitignore. You are correct. Yeah, we put this here. So whatever we put here, it will not be available from GitHub. That's why node underscore module is not available right now. So we need to get that folder. So we need to get that folder here. It's really simple. It's really simple actually. What you need to go do is first make sure that you are in the current directory in the create React app, okay? I think you can type pwd, everyone, now, because we are using the same Linux terminal, Unix terminal. So if you type pwd, you will see at the end create React app. If you cannot see it, then you cannot actually get that node underscore module folder. You are doing something incorrect. You need to see this create React app. So if you can see create React app, now we can get that node underscore modules here. So what we need to do now is only hit this command yarn. Okay, only hit yarn, not yarn dev. Okay, this is only yarn command. Just type yarn yarn and now hit enter. Now it is gonna download all of those subfolders which are previously there inside node underscore module. Okay, depending upon your performance, it will take some time. It has already downloaded all the files or folders that is required inside node underscore modules. It will also download in yours as well, and you'll get that node underscore modules here. Okay, is it fine, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to share.
Sure, please.
What are you seeing?
I'm seeing your screen. Okay, yarn command is not working. Okay. Did you install yarn previously? Previously, I showed you the steps to install yarn.
Shouldn't go? Why shouldn't you go?
No. So let me help you with this one. Okay, just I recommend you to watch those videos if you have actually not watched. I have actually guided all of the steps of installation of yarn, but let me quickly help you to install yarn here. I think you don't have yarn. Just type in your terminal. After yarn, just give one space and type -v. Yarn space -v. Hyphen means that's minus sign. Okay, minus sign v dash v. V for version. Only V, okay, and hit enter. You don't have yarn. You need to type a command. Okay, just follow me. Type npm space I space yarn and space -z.
E for zebra.
Z for global. Small z, okay, small letter z. Yeah, now hit enter. Okay, now you can type yarn and hit enter. It will download the node modules, right? Okay, now it will take some time and you can follow me from here.
Hey Gorak, when I try to run create React app, it's showing me some error.
Okay, what is that error then?
It says please specify the project directory.
Okay, can you share me your screen?
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Right here, this one.
I can see it.
You can't see it?
I'm seeing your screen. Yeah. So what is your issue? Jyoti, right?
Yeah. So when I ran create React app right here, it's saying please specify the project directory.
Jyoti, you are working. You have already opened that create React app folder. So just first you need to type ls, and can you see package.json after pressing ls in the terminal?
Yeah, I can see that.
Then you don't have to do anything. You don't have to actually write create React app there. Okay. If you can see package.json, just go to your terminal just to verify and type pwd. It will print your working directory. In your terminal, type pwd and hit enter.
Okay, yeah.
It will show create React app at the end, right?
Yeah.
It means now you can install the packages. Just type yarn and hit enter. right here. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
It will install
Do
now.
I have to
Very good.
install yarn every time? Like,
Every time when you download this code from GitHub, if you follow my
okay.
steps, then you need to
Okay.
do it. You need to do this every time.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, in future, we'll see how we can actually do it really easily using Git clone. That is the recommended way. We'll follow that later.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Good.
Hi, Gorak.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, I cannot see package.json.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Sure. You can see my screen.
Yes, I can see it.
So, oh, I can see it now. Sorry. Never mind.
Okay, great. So you can just make sure that just type pwd in the terminal, and if you can see create React app, then it is okay to follow. Yeah. Okay. You are in the correct folder. You can start from here.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Now I need to start it. Okay. Those who have some experience, or those who are already familiar with this one, they are feeling bored, I think. So I need to move ahead with React now. So let me know on the chat all the time if you have some issue. I'm always addressing your issue, but let's do some of the things for today's session actually. So from here, if you just installed this this React project, then now what you need to do is write yarn start. We start this project, okay, and it will open in the browser, and you will see this preview. All right. Now you can start working together with me. You can start working together with me. I'm going to do something here, and you can just follow me and type it together, or you can just watch me, and however you feel comfortable, right? So I'm not going to do it here, but you still wait for me there. I'm going to do it in the correct project that I'm doing yesterday, but you and I are together currently. So if I type ls, I'm not seeing that package.json. I need to go inside here. For that one, I can type create React app. Now I can type yarn command only. Sorry, only yarn start command, and that will be open in the another preview. We'll open it on the guest mode. Okay, now today we want to do some CSS things with React. So I told you previously that all the time you need to actually work on the src folder, right? Src folder inside here all the time. We'll work on that src folder. Then let's go inside that src folder and do something. We are inside src folder here, and we are inside src, and we can see 1 2 3 4. I don't need this media. I'm going to delete it right now. We can see 1 2 3 files here. So we already saw the connection, how they are connected, right? They are always connected to this index.html inside public folder. There is a connection which is already established. Now what you can do is go and do something here in the app.js, and go and do something here in this app.css. So just remember that js means .js at the end of your file name means these are JavaScript files. These are for beginners, okay? We don't know about the extension. So .css at the end means these are for CSS, and .html at the end means these are for HTML, okay? So this is JavaScript file, this is CSS file, this is HTML file. So Today we want to do some CSS with React. It means we want to write something here and we want to write something here in these two files, because this is the JavaScript. React means JavaScript. Okay, whenever I'm saying React to you, it means a JavaScript, because React is a library of JavaScript. React is a part of JavaScript, right? So it means yeah, you can relate it with the there are many states in US, right? So states are the part of your country, but each and every states may have different rule. Here also React is a library, so this library has different rule. Everything in JavaScript may not work here, or may have some extended features. So your state may have some extra benefits which are not available in your other states. Similarly here as well, in React we have some extra benefits. Okay, so what you need to do is clear everything from this app.js and just write rfce. It will create a component here. Okay, just type this rfce and remove everything from app.css, guys. Okay, I'm going to connect this to my charger. Just a moment, guys. You can follow me. You can ask me, okay, if you have some issue.
Just a quick question. What was the command to start the server?
Yarn start.
Yeah, it is yarn start. Thanks.
Thank you.
Sorry to say that, guys. I think I don't have charger with me currently. Maybe I left it yesterday somewhere. So I need to, I will finish this session after 10 to 15 minutes, as long as this charge actually stays with us. Okay, so yeah, let's continue. So you need to actually remove everything from here and just type rfce, and it will actually create a component for you. Component means that function. Okay, it will create, this is a component, whatever I am highlighting from 3 to 7, this is called component in React. So it will create a component, and you need to remove everything from here, and if your file is not saving, you will see something like this two here, right? So previously, if you remember, what I told you is just activate that setting, autosave setting, autosave here, right? So autosave for on focus sense. I'm doing it in workspace, but you don't have to do it on a workspace, or you can do it, but I have different project, in different directories, so I'm doing it here. So now we will not have to save it every time. If the focus is changed, then it will be saved automatically.
But it's not showing me one. It's showing me. Sorry, it's not showing me two. It's showing me one.
Yeah,
Okay.
it doesn't matter how many changes are showing there. It means they are not saved. Okay. If some numbers is showing here, it means your file is not saved. You need to save each and every file. You need to see here, they will be highlighted with some color here. Okay, if your file is not saved.
Did you clean app CSS as well?
Right. So now we are going to do CSS from basics. So let's go inside CSS. Inside CSS, we can write the basic CSS syntax. Okay, I'm doing these things little faster today, but these are simple stuffs, so that everyone should have equal opportunity to learn it. So just watch this video later as well. Okay, so to connect this app.js and app.css, these are the two different files. This is the JavaScript, this is the CSS. To connect these together, what we need to do is go inside JavaScript, and on the top write import dot slash in the single or double quote app.css. Now they are connected together. Okay, we already did it in the previous session as well. Now we connected this app.css with app.js. We linked this together. Okay, that's the first step. And now we have this div here. We have only one HTML element. If you remember, element is this whole, tag is this one. Okay, you can say that tag is div, but we only have a single HTML element here. So what we can do is we have connected already, right? We have connected these two already together, right? If you have a relation, then you can approach that relation, right? We have a relation with app.js and app.css. Now we can approach app.css from app.js. It means we can now select this div from app.js inside app.css. So this is the app.js, right? So I'm splitting this screen right here. You can do it from here, okay? Click here. Now app.css on the right, app.js on the right, left. So now I'm going to select this div from here, okay? Div from app.js right here. You need to type div directly. And just now we are going to write CSS here. Cascading style sheet. CSS means giving colors, making our page beautiful. I'm going to write color rate. You need to write color and column rate. This is the syntax you need to follow. Now our app is ready. So this is called a CSS rule. Okay, guys, if you are really beginner, you need to focus very carefully and watch this video one more time. I recommend you to watch this video 2 or 3 times, okay, if you have time, because initially you need to actually provide your time. Otherwise, it will be difficult to learn from HTML all the way to React. We are going beyond React as well in the full stack journey. So I'm not scaring you, but just if you can give some extra time, then it will be automatically, it will make sense automatically later. So here we have a rule. This is called a CSS rule. So this is to write CSS rule, we need to write a tag name. Okay, this is a structure. Okay, this is structure, tag name and curly brace, and now name of the tag. Currently we are writing in this order. Okay, name of the tag. Sorry, not tag name here. Now you need to write on the properties, those CSS properties. One of the property is color. You need to write CSS properties here, and colon, and then you need to write its value. Okay, this is how we write CSS. Later we'll see we can write class ID here as well, but now we can follow this tag name, CSS properties, and value. So what is the tag name? How from where you can get the tag name, guys? Where is that tag name? How can we get that tag? Where is our HTML?
In HTML.
In app.js.
Right, in line number where?
Inside the function.
5.
In line number 5 here. Right.
Inside
here.
function.
So that's correct. So currently we have div. We may have different tags as well. We may have one more tag inside div. So this is app. Okay, I'm entering here and I can write another tag like p. I need to write p tag here and hello. Now I have another tag. So what do I need to do? I need to select that tag. This is the structure. Okay, we need to follow this structure. I need to write the tag name. Tag name is p. I need to write the curly brace and CSS property. What is the CSS property? From where we can get the CSS properties, guys? Somebody who knows, can you assist, please? From where we can get the CSS properties?
From HTML, from JS file.
JS file.
CSS file.
From class name or.
Yeah, what I'm asking you is, I wrote color here.
Yeah.
How do I know to write the name here? Color. What are the different properties available in CSS?
Color, margin,
padding.
Yeah, these are the properties which are available in CSS. So you need to go to which website? W3 School. I told you previously many times, right? You can directly type CSS properties. Now let's go here. Okay, this is CSS property all. Let me only search for CSS properties. Okay. So list of CSS3 properties. Let me go here on this website for now. You can follow any website. So here are a lot of CSS properties. Can you see? These are the properties that we can write there. These are the properties. So we don't have to remember this. We don't have to remember any of them. We can start writing and they will be automatically make sense. So for now, we choose this one, right? Color, to specify the color of the text of the element. But we have many more properties here as well. Okay, you can write background color. Let's do this one. Let's go and write background color there. Let me, okay. This is guest one. I need to put it on the right. So now what I can do is for p tag, it is coming hello for p tag as well. Yes, that is called CSS inheritance. We'll see that later. But for p tag, what I can do is background color is now going to be black. Now save it. Now we have the black background color only for that p tag. So this is our screen, right, guys? This is our screen. This is our content. Each and every content will take some space on the screen. So this p tag only is taking the space from left all the way to right. We are writing hello only here, but it is actually space of the hello is from here left all the way to right. This is the space allocated for only this hello text on our screen. So such kind of tags are called, such kind of blocks are called elements, such kind of HTML elements are called block level HTML elements. Those elements which takes the space entirely on the screen from left to right, entirely on the screen. The height is not greater than the height of the elements itself, but the width is greater, right? These are such kind of elements are called block level elements. Okay, guys. So
And it is
we can
blocked
write
because you use div.
it is blocked because the div these kind of elements are defined as a block level elements by default on the browser. Okay, if you have time, you can search for block level elements. Let's go here. Yeah, you can see it is taking this width entirely. And these elements here, those elements you can see here, these are the tags, right? These are the tags. These are actually the block level tags. Okay, all the tags. These will take entire width on the screen. And there are other tags as well, like the span. I am span. So let me do color white for P. Let me make it slightly bigger. Missing something here. Make it slightly bigger so that you can see it. Okay. So this is app. This is also a block level element. Div element is also a block level element. And another one is P. P tag is also a block level element. Now we have a span. Let's give a background color to that span. Okay. We can select the span from CSS and background color, and let's give some background color. You can choose some background color from here as well if you want. Okay. Later we'll see the color format as well. Now it is not taking the entire width here, right? It is only taking its one space. It is not taking the entire width, right, guys? So such kind of tags or such kind of elements are called inline elements. Those elements who are not taking the entire width, those elements who stays in their one space are called inline elements. Okay, is it fine?
Is
This
that how
is
you put
absolute.
comments for React?
Yeah, you can just, what you need to do is press Control in your window, in your Mac, press Command and / for the comment. Okay. Yeah, just ask me some of the things if I'm missing. Yeah, this.
It's showing me the error. Can I share, please?
Sorry, I cannot actually connect with you right now because I need to disconnect in a moment. Maybe I can help you. Just send me a message in the chat, then I will help you definitely. Okay.
Okay.
I'll connect with you maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm making the screenshot now. No, I'm copy this the error, then I'm messaging on it.
Sure, sure. Please text me, guys. I cannot connect with you today, so
Did
I'll
you get
help
it?
you with your issue. Yeah,
Did you get
I
it?
got your issue. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Okay. So
Sure.
whatever you did, you can uncomment it or undo it, and follow me once again. Try to follow me once again. So sometimes, guys, just try to debug yourself. Give it a time. Okay. Previously as well, for my case, while I was practicing, start working on one software company, and I got some error while I start working, and I immediately go to the developer and start asking him, "What is this? Please fix it for me." So actually, they will fix it if they have time, but you will not learn in that way. Sometimes you need to try to be able to debug it yourself. Give it a time around 15 to 20 minutes and definitely ask it to me and will definitely help. We'll discuss what is happening there, what we need to do. Then this is how you will learn faster, I think. Okay, so yeah, and these are called inline elements, okay? Inline element and block level elements. There are inline block elements as well. We'll talk about it sometimes later. These are the main elements or tags available in HTML. So guys, you know like how to select this element from CSS, right? First, you need to connect this together. We have connected it from line number 2. Now you can actually select any tags from here. We selected the p tags on line number 9, which is on line number 8 in CSS. Sorry, in JavaScript. This is JavaScript. We can write HTML in React, not in JavaScript. Okay, in React. That's why I told you previously there are some features in your states as well. There are some features in React here as well. Oh, here we can write HTML. This is called JSX. I already told you, right? So this is JSX. Now we select this element in line number 9 here. Okay, there is another way to select elements as well. Like if we have another div inside here, there is an issue with this approach. Okay, so if we have another div, and I'm going to write I am a div inside another div. This is a content you will see here. Now what is happening here? Why this color is showing in red, guys? We don't want to show it in red, but it is showing in red. By default, it will be black color, right? What's the issue here?
Like we have selected the universal selector div.
That's correct. That's correct. So this div will select all the divs available in your component, right here. All the divs. Here is one div and here is another div. Means it will give a color to this div, a red color. It will give a color to this div, a red color as well. It means we need to now specify each and every div. That's why we need a specifier, means we need a specific way of selecting an individual element. From here, we'll start implementing classes and IDs. Now we can give a div a class. So what you can do is inside div, just give a space and write class equals like this is a inner div, something like this. Now we are now giving a class to this div. Okay. So now we can only select this div. To only select this div having a class inner div, you need to type dot first here in your CSS. And now inner div, you can directly write the name of the class here, inner div. And now we can make this color black. Now the another div is now of black color instead of red color. Okay, so we also have ID as well. Now, if we have multiple divs with the same class, we can have multiple divs with the same class. Now they are both showing black color. We want to show some different color, like some yellow color or purple color, different color. So and make it a unique in that particular page. What you can also do is give a class. I am inner div. Let's say I am a div. This is the first div. This is the second div. This is the third div. We have 3 divs here. All of them are of black color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to only give a third div an ID now instead of class here. So in React, I told you that we will not write class. Instead, we will write class name. Okay, I did something incorrect here. We will write class name. Otherwise, what will happen is, otherwise it's working, seems to be working, but it says invalid DOM property in the console. That's why we need to use class name. Okay. But now that error will go away. Okay, in the console, there's no error. We can also use ID. Now this is a fourth one. So now the fourth one is of red color, but we want the fourth one of different color. So what we can do is select that fourth one with ID. Those elements which have ID, we can select it using this hash sign. And the name of the ID, that is inner div, and give it a color. Let's give a color like yellow green. Now I'm going to save it. Now this have the color yellow green. You can write a different class name here as well, like this is actually fourth div, something like this. Now you need to write the same ID name here as well. Okay, this is how we will use classes and IDs with HTML. This is a really simple stuff. You can follow it and you will easily actually do it yourself. All right, guys, so you can nest multiple things together as well. What I mean is,
Excuse me, Gaurav.
yeah, yes, please.
So why did you use dot inner div and like hash fourth div? Like, is there supposed to be like different one for everyone?
That's what.
I
A
think
dot
I
and
didn't get it.
hash. I don't
If
understand
you're gonna
that.
put the ID, you're gonna have to put the H.
Yeah,
What's that?
if for ID, inside my, let me go inside my CSS, you need to put this hash sign, this one. This is a special syntax. Okay.
So for the second and third, I still have to use the hash, or do I need to use something different?
No, if you have class, then we'll use dot. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you have second or third. You need to see whether it has class or ID. If you have class, then you will use dot sign. If you have ID, then you will use hash sign. Okay.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So I will stop at this moment. First, let me commit, and I'll get back to you. Some of you is raising your hand. So I'm going to commit it. You will get this code from GitHub. Okay. Basic CSS. Yeah, now you can get this code from GitHub. Just clone it if you can. Otherwise, you can download it and install and start it from very start once again. We'll see another way later. Nissan, do you want to ask me something?
Nothing special, sir, but it's time to charge your machine. Otherwise, we will have to miss you.
Okay, thank you. All right. I think I will leave this session right now. Actually, I have some urgent things that I need to do, and that's why I'm finishing this session a little early today. So thank you so much, guys. I'll meet you tomorrow. Just send me some message on my chat as well. I'll try to help you at this evening as well. Actually, I'm connecting to some of you at the evening, so you can send me some message. If you have some issue, then I'll connect it.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Tomorrow is no class, so it means I will add some. Yeah, tomorrow is no class, right? So I'll add some of the. There will be some assignment on the Bootcamp portal. Okay. And that is the techio.bootcamp.ai. Just open it, access your course, then you'll see the assessment.
Bro,
yeah,
if you give me just a minute, I think here is that just two arrows, so that's why I don't know where is
yeah, please.
Just quickly, can you also post it in this chat because I don't have access to the portal yet. Or many of us don't have access to the portal.
Me?
You should have access to the portal. Neeraj sir, please help everyone to get the access because I cannot post the assignment here directly. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay, sure. Can you just please message me who has the issue in the portal?
I think can you make this screen little big, please? Make this full screen. I cannot see from left to right. Okay, now better. Yeah, div and oh, I think the closing tag of div is not correct on the right. On the line number 10 on the right, the div is incorrectly written. Yeah, can somebody help him, please? I need to actually disconnect from here. If you can, please, guys.
Sure, sure.
So on the first, on your left side of the div, you need to put the greater than sign before class.
Oh.
You just have to
No,
click on
another,
the right
not
side.
that one. Greater than sign.
Now you
Yeah.
just have to work on your right side.
Now you now go ahead and delete.
Your closing tag
line
is
17.
mistake. The syntax mistake. The slash should be in front, not at the end.
Yeah, just refer to line 17.
I need to delete on it.
No, just copy paste in line 10, 11, 12,
Your
13.
backslash is in the last. It should be in the beginning of the closing tag.
Which one backslash?
After div, line number 10, line number 11 and 12. See the closing tag?
Yeah.
Not the opening one. Closing tag. And write the backslash in front of div, not in the last.
Go to the end of the tag.
End of the tag. Div.
End of the
Yeah.
sentence.
Yeah, end of the sentence. In number 10.
Okay, what should I need to write down?
The tag
You need to write backslash in front of div, not at the last.
Yeah.
Just do it like line number 17.
Yeah, just refer to line number 17. If you're having trouble, just copy paste.
Yeah, just like that of the line number 17, you have to write like that.
Yeah, do that for line 10, 11, 12, and 13.
Okay.
And delete the, you have to delete. Just get rid of the last div you have, closing tag.
Should I need to close
Delete. No.
Just go to line 10 and delete the div tag you have at the end of the line.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that should work. Just do
And same for the
11,
11, 12, and 13. And for 13 too? Yeah.
So the 6.
Make sure you have a space between.
No, brother, use the small p. Instead of a capital P, use the small p in line number 6.
Line number 6, small p.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
And he say you cannot write class. You need to write class name.
Yeah.
What
You
did
write the
say?
class.
Yeah.
You write
So
class there. Instead of class, you need to write class and then N capital and A-M-E. In number 10, 11, 12.
Which one you are telling? This one?
Can you go to number 10? Class.
Okay.
After class, C-L-A-S-S.
Okay.
And then N capital N. No, after class.
Okay.
Yeah, N capital N.
Could you spell it, please?
N, capital N.
N. N for Nancy.
No, Yan for Nancy.
No, you just type
Yan for
uppercase
Nepal.
Yan, Nepal. Just type
Yeah.
N. Yes.
No space, no space in between them. Yan capital and then A Yami. Name.
Okay.
Yeah. Same like that for 11, 12, and 13. I think now it's worked. ID is fine.
Okay, so okay. So I'm not able only declared as a class. Hello.
Yeah, he say you cannot write just class. You need to write class name.
Yes. Thank you. And okay.
I think it's all good now. It's compiled already.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you, everybody.
Can anyone help me, guys? I'm facing a little problem with my compiling.
Really, thanks. Thank you.
Are you guys available? Can you help me with my compiling, if anyone's available?
Sure, you can share.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so I don't know where did I mess up here. Everything is messed up.
Remove that greater sign from after MLD.
I'll remove from here.
Yep. Do that for all of them, and then give a space after that.
Okay.
No, you have to.
I think she need to keep it.
No,
No,
line number 8.
you have to keep that greater sign.
No,
In
that's
yeah.
fine. That's
in
fine.
the
That's
inner
fine.
div?
No, you're fine there. Just leave it.
Oh, so just
Oh yeah. You just have to have a space.
You have to keep
between
that
two
greater
tags.
sign.
Sorry, what?
So put
Just
the greater
do
sign
it like
back again,
before.
and then a space. Put a space after that.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
No, we don't need space. That's not important.
Need to put the space after fourth div in line number 16. No, you need to keep the greater than sign after fourth div.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And remove
And
this one. This IMA greater than sign.
I think that doesn't matter.
And also line number 8, you need to remove that div.
The whole thing?
Yep.
Oh, thank
That
you.
should do it.
Yeah, I think it'll work. Thank you so much. Did anyone see the homework yet? Did it?
I've been trying to find it. I couldn't see it. I don't know.
He said he gonna put it later, not now.
Oh, okay. And do you guys know why class ended early today?
He said he got some emergency.
Oh,
He was somewhere.
Oh, and then I asked Rusha, so we don't have class on Thanksgiving. I don't know if you guys know about it.
Oh.
That's what she
And we
said.
don't have class tomorrow too.
Yeah, I'm sure she's gonna put out an announcement or something, but
yeah.
Oh yeah, I will just announce. So Friday and Saturday is holiday, and Sunday from Sunday
Our
to
class
Thursday there
is
will be
from
class.
Sunday to Thursday. Friday and
Yes.
Saturday is off day.
What about the
Yes.
Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving 24 November is holiday, and all is regular. From Sunday to Friday, Thursday there is a class.
Okay.
Thanksgiving is on Thursday, so
Yeah, that's why I was asking.
holiday.
All right, sounds good.
So Sunday to Wednesday.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys.
I had a question. Do you guys want to create like a group chat? Oh, never mind. Everyone's out. All right. See ya.
You can make a call through this chat group.
No, I
You can
meant
make
like
a
if you
share.
wanted to do a separate group chat.
Yeah, you can.
You can start one.
Yeah.
But I don't have anyone's phone number or anything. That's why I wanted to
No,
ask.
just yeah. You know you don't need a phone number, but just email from whatever.
You can just put it on.
Invite, like there's a invite button. Invite any member. Then you can create as many members as you want.
Oh, you meant in the Microsoft team?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's easy.
Oh, so Priyanka, you want to create on the WhatsApp group also? Or
Yeah, that's what I meant. Like, I don't know if
yeah,
anyone.
okay. I will just create and I will just add you all. Is it
Yeah,
okay?
because sometimes, in the Microsoft, you have to log in and do everything. Sometimes it's so hard to
Yeah,
log
that's
in.
sometimes
Yes,
really
sure.
annoying. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay,
Tim
I will just
said,
add you all on the WhatsApp group.
Oh, sounds
yeah,
good. Thank you.
WhatsApp
Okay.
covers everybody in one
Yeah.
platform.
Okay, sure.
But
Thank you
Teams
so much.
app, logging in, so many things.
All right. See you guys. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
All right.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good evening.
Thank you.
Good night. Have a good weekend.
Good night.
I still do not have access to the chat.
Who is this?
It's Rosen.
Oh, Rosal. Rosal, did you log in with the same ID which we had provided you of the
Yeah.
TechU?
At first I did it from that, and I still couldn't access the chat. It said kind of like guest on the side, and after that I tried to log in again, and it directed through my college account.
Okay, so I will just call you personally. Okay, I will just
All
end
right.
this meeting and I'll just call you.
All right, sure. All right, thank you.